Hi, I'm King 5 Meteorologist Rich Marriott, and another big day in Seattle, another playoff game headed our way, and a beautiful start to the day, which I'll take as a good omen. Gorgeous looking out there from our Bellingham Tower cam this morning. Again, blue sky and blue water out there. We had clear skies and just a beautiful sunrise around Puget Sound this morning, and we get into this time of the year, and oftentimes it's just blackness turning into dark gray, so we have to appreciate it whenever we have a spectacular sunrise in October. But with that, though, we did see some very chilly temperatures once again around the area, but starting to warm up already with a little bit of sunshine. Even out along the coastal beaches, we've got some sunshine this morning and off to a really good start. Checking those temperatures, though, when you get away from the cities, it was cold for Puget Sound, for Western Washington. Temperatures down in the upper 20s and low 30s down in the South Sound, and also some of the outlying areas up to the north. Even within the city themselves, it got chilly this morning with those temperatures dropping down into the upper 30s and low 40s in a lot of them. So definitely a cool air mass sitting over us, and we are going to see a little bit of cloudiness move in later today, which should end up with a little bit warmer temperatures as we head into tomorrow. So checking that first alert 7-day forecast, you can see lots of sunshine. Now we're getting past that chilly morning, and a few showers start to work their way into the forecast beginning later tomorrow into Friday. Not much in that first system that moves in, but then as we do head into the weekend, it is going to be turning wet over the weekend and the first half of next week, and we'll see those snow levels lowering as we head into Sunday. So definitely working our way into the second half of October. Looking at that satellite image, what we're really looking at is just this high pressure sitting over us right now. That is going to start drifting eastward as we head towards Thursday and Friday. We've got a little weak system that's going to drag through here with the high clouds this afternoon, and then another system will be moving in as we head towards later tomorrow night on into early on Friday. Not a whole lot in that. It's going to weaken as it moves into the high pressure, but then that moves on out of here, and we're going to see a pretty strong cold front moving here as we head towards Saturday afternoon. It's going to turn into a wet afternoon and evening on Saturday, and then a lot of showers around on Sunday, with those snow levels probably dropping down to about 4,000 feet by later on Sunday. So you might actually see a little bit of snow sticking on the road for Stevens Pass and especially North Cascades Highway, and then probably Chinook Pass as well. Both the North Cascades Highway and Chinook Passes are both above 5,000 feet, so they can accumulate snow much more easily than the lower passes. No impact on Snoqualmie Pass, though, I-90 across the Cascades. Looking at our computer model, you can see just those high clouds kind of moving through today. It's going to filter the sun just a little bit, and then we'll clear a little bit before that system moves in as we head into tomorrow. We'll see a chance of a few showers, especially as we head towards late tomorrow evening, probably staying north of Seattle, so not really affecting the playoff game potentially. And then we should see still a few showers around on Friday should a Game 5 be necessary. Again, might have a few scattered showers around the area. Take a look at that actual forecast for this evening. Well, we're going to be looking for game time, probably partly sunny, temperatures right around the upper 50s and low 60s, but during the game, cooling back to the low to mid 50s. So a little chilly by the end of the game. Might need a sweatshirt. Probably not for the game because there'll be a lot of motion probably keeping you warm, but making it back to your car, you probably need that sweatshirt to do a hike from T-Mobile Park. And checking tomorrow, we're going to be looking for partly sunny at that first pitch at 5:33. We're going to be looking for partly sunny skies. Chance of a few showers later in the evening, so the roof might end up being closed during the game. And then on Friday, that slight chance of a shower, but again, it may stay away from T-Mobile. For all three games, basically temperatures in the mid to upper 50s during the game, which has worked out pretty well for the Mariners so far. Taking a look, beautiful shot there up in Paradise, looking up at Mount Rainier. The snow they got over the weekend has mostly melted off now, and similarly there over the passes. And good hiking weather if you want to get up and do a little late season hiking right now. Temperatures this afternoon with sunshine getting into the upper 40s and low to mid 50s, so in pretty good shape. So going over that 7-day forecast again, mostly sunny this afternoon, high temperatures upper 50s and low 60s, just some high clouds drifting through. Tomorrow partly sunny, that chance of showers moving in later in the evening, mid to upper 50s. Just a slight chance of a shower Friday mixed with sunshine, again mid to upper 50s. Saturday, increasing rain as we head into the afternoon, a wet Saturday night into Sunday. It'll turn to shower Sunday afternoon, those snow levels dropping down to about 4,000 feet later in the day on Sunday. Monday, we're going to be looking for partly sunny with a few showers. Snow levels back up to about 5,000, 5,500 feet on Monday, and then increasing rain again as we head towards Tuesday with those high temperatures mostly in the mid 50s.